Like that, honey. You're glowing. I love sharing tips like this to help you feel confident and fabulous. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I'm here to help you glow up without breaking the bank. Today I'm going to show you the new BTARTBOX Press-On Nails Pink French. This is the newest collection that they just came out with. Let's go ahead and get this glow up started. Girl, we know how expensive salon nails can get. $70 or more every few weeks? No ma'am. These BTARTBOX nails are affordable, easy to apply, and give me the same luxury vibe without the hefty price tag. Prep is key, ladies. Want your press-ons to last weeks instead of days? It all starts with nail prep. First, push back your cuticles. This keeps your nails from lifting. Then trim any excess cuticle for a smooth, clean base. Prep nails equals long-lasting nails. Now you're ready for the perfect set. Ever have your press-on nails pop off too soon? The secret: clipping your nails. Shorter nails give your press-ons a flat, secure base so they actually stick. And don't forget to file. This smooths out the edges so your press-ons last way longer. Now your nails are prepped and ready. This step makes all the difference for long-lasting nails. Press-ons popping off too soon? It's because of oils on your nails. Rubbing alcohol removes dirt and oil, giving your press-ons a clean surface to stick to. This simple step makes your nails last weeks instead of days. Don't skip it. Now for the exciting part is choosing your nail color. I went ahead and chose the cotton candy color. Finding the right size is key. If your press-ons are too big, it'll lift and pop off. Not cute. Too small? It won't cover your nail properly. Always go for the closest fit. The perfect fit should sit edge to edge with no overlap. If you are wanting to have your press-on nails last 4 weeks, I highly recommend the BTARTBOX X-Coat Gap Filled Nail Glue. This glue is definitely a game changer, and it is a beginner-friendly glue, so it is easy to apply. I found an easy way on how to apply this nail glue. Go ahead, take your press-on, scoop it into the glue as it's chip and dip. Make sure you remove the excess at the edge, and go ahead and apply the nail exactly like this in the video. Press down firmly and you will see the excess glue from around the edges of the press-on. Go ahead and remove that glue so the nail is ready to be cured. Go ahead and press down on the nail and cure it for 1 full minute. Trust the process, ladies. We're not done yet. You want to next take your file and you want to file down your nails to your desired length, and also to remove that little piece that the nails were attached to in the package. To prevent the top coat and French designs from peeling off, a nail secret: you must need to apply a layer of the builder gel and top coat. And don't forget to cap those edges. This way these nails can last 28 days or more. And last but not least, the best part is adding your cuticle oil. I am using the L'Occitane cuticle oil. You can use any oil that you desire or prefer. This way it'll give you that nice salon quality look. OMG, these turned out perfect. They look exactly like a professional French manicure. And I did them myself in under 15 minutes. And just like that, honey, you're glowing. I love sharing tips like this to help you feel confident and fabulous without spending hundreds of dollars, because you deserve it. If you're ready to glow up without breaking the bank, click the link in my description. Use my code EmilyL10 to save 10% off your order. Let's glow up together, babes. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on our notification bell. That way you will not be left behind for 2025 on your glow up journey.